got the Bradley smoker. Let's do an unboxing, open her up, see what she looks like. This is one of the best smokers, I think. I haven't actually tried it yet, but from what I've read, it's like it's almost like $700. It's digital. You can smoke without cooking. You can cook without smoking, or do both. And I think it's up to 8 hours of pucks. Well, anyway, let's open it up first and see what it looks like. And a week later, I'll do, after I tried it out, I'll do a food review, or a recipe, or cook something. And I'll let you know how that works. Whoa. That's a heavy one. Ouch. So the back of it just has that one plug, I guess. So we can put in the briquette burner. Oh man, that's heavy. Wow. Look at that, eh? There's a pellet smoker. There's the trays. Oh man. Can't wait to put some steaks and some cheese in there. That's gonna be nice. This is really good quality. Nice double walled, really thick. It's not just tin or anything. Oh, okay, I guess that's a good tray. Wow, what a nice machine. And there's just 4 racks. Nice and easy. They go in nice and easy. This is a smoke disperser. There it is. Oh yeah. There's a tray. Oh yeah. Okay. Put the slides in. That goes right there. Okay, well, I haven't read any instructions, but it looks pretty straightforward. This goes in here. For the burner, for the smoker. And this plugs in. Should be one more wire. There it is. So that this wire, I'm not sure. I think it's for this is for the temperature. Okay, so that's what it looks like from the back. Now let's plug her in. It's on off. This turns on the oven. Oven time set. 3 hours. Press oven time set again and it's set. Oven temperature 280 degrees. So it goes up to 320 degrees. Very good. Wow. And up.